Supreme Court to deliver verdict on validity of EWS quota on Monday. The Supreme Court on Monday will give its verdict on the validity of 103rd constitutional amendment, granting 10% reservation to people belonging to economically weaker sections from unreserved categories in educational institutions and government jobs. A five-judge constitution bench of Chief Justice UU Lalit and Justices Dinesh Maheshwari, S. Ravindra Bhatt, Bela M. Trivedi, and J.B. Pardiwala will pronounce its verdict on three questions framed by it regarding the validity of EWS quota. The first issue, whether reservation based on economic criteria is permitted by the constitutional and whether it will go against the basic structure if allowed. The issue assumes significance as the constitution does not talk about the concept and preferential treatment on the basis of a person's economic status. The second issue, whether the 103rd constitutional amendment can be said to breach the basic structure of constitution by permitting the state to make special provisions in relation to admission to private unaided institutions. The third issue, whether the amendment can be said to breach the basic structure of constitution in excluding the SEBCs, socially and educationally backward classes, OBCs, other backward classes, SCs, scheduled caste, STs, scheduled tribes, from the scope of EWS reservations. The verdict may also decide whether 50% cap on reservation as fixed by the Indian Sawney judgment is inviolable and cannot be breached at this point. This was argued as various lawyers opposing the EWS quota for benching the cap.